Hey guys, welcome back to Gyros Technology Solutions. So today I want to show you something real quick on PC. I've had customers come in and say, hey man, my disk is full or whatever, so I want to show you how to do a quick cleanup. So I'm over here on the Windows 10 machine that I built specifically for this purpose. So all you need to do is go down to the search bar, and this could be Windows 10 or Windows 11, doesn't really matter. And then you type in disk. It should be the first thing right there. It says disk cleanup. And it's going to load that. That was actually kind of quick. Usually it takes a minute if you have a lot of files. That progress bar will be there for a few minutes. Anyway, so normally a lot of people will go right here and start looking. Well, make sure you click on the cleanup system files first, and it's going to reload that bar, and that might take a moment because now it's looking at the Windows files themselves. Give that just a moment. All right, so now you're going to have Windows Update Cleanup, and that's all your update files that are no longer needed. So you're going to check that box. The only thing I would caution here is to make sure that you don't delete any files in the recycle bin. So make sure all these boxes are recycle bin, and click on that, and then click View Files. And I don't have anything in my recycle bin because again, this is just a machine I'm using to show you how to do this. But anyway, just be aware of that. And so right here it says I'm going to get back 6.59 gigabytes. Not a lot, but it's still something. All right, go ahead and click OK on that, and then delete files. It's not going to delete anything important, and like I said, as long as it's not in the recycle bin. So it's not, you're not going to wipe any files out in your user folders or whatnot like that. So just be mindful of that. And then the other thing I'm going to go ahead and show you is how to wipe out your history. So on on Firefox, you'll go in here, wait for the window to open. And this is, again, pretty straightforward and simple. I'm going to go to these three lines right here, and I'm going to hit Settings, and then I'm going to go Privacy and Security. And then right here where it says Cookies and Site Data, I'm going to hit Clear Data. And then right here, normally people want, you don't want to do it, the entire thing because a lot of times there's password safe, so just be very mindful before you clear out anything. Just make sure you're not clearing out saved passwords if you have those in your browser. I don't recommend saving passwords in your browser because that's a vulnerability in my opinion, but just be mindful of that. I usually use a password manager, and I'll get to that in another video. Anyway, so right here, I'm going to go ahead and drop this down and hit Everything. And again, this clears out everything. So any logins you've had saved to Facebook or to Google or whatever is going to wipe it all out. So just be mindful of that. And then I'm going to hit Site Settings right there, and then we're going to hit Clear. All right. And let's go down a little bit further, and then we're going to do Clear History as well. And again, this is everything, so just be mindful of that. Hit Clear, and that clears out all your browser for Firefox. All right, now I'm going to go over here to Google and do the same thing. And it's basically the same stuff. You hit these three dots right here, and then you go down to Settings. Where's my settings at? Oh, I'm sorry. Delete browsing data is the correct way to put it. All right, and again, you can do last hour or you can do, last whatever, but I usually go to advanced, hit all time, and then check all these boxes. Delete data. And that's all to it, guys. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.